Alright, this is September 26, 2010. Upper East Side, 92nd Street, Manhattan, New York City. Oh, fuck. It's so far strong wind. I'm going up the hill right now. You can see. Oh, this visibility is non-existent. Like, there's no visibility. It's literally non-existent. I can't see anything. Oh my god. This is incredible. This is ridiculous. It is approximately 9:20 p.m. Sunday night, December 26th. I haven't really measured yet, but going drifting snow can lead to this. This is the whole thing. This is 90 seconds. Look at this. Blowing snow. Ridiculous. It looks like that. Back to that. Turn up. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Goodness gracious. Ridiculous. This is history. What we're living in 1996. Because it definitely sure feels like what I describe as 1996. But imagine right now. Definitely 45 miles per hour. Definitely 35 miles per hour. It definitely goes to conditions. No one's in the street. I'm walking the street right now. And the camera. You can't see anything. I mean, I'm trying, but no quality. I mean, in the car, you can't see. This is straight metropolitan. Probably the biggest metropolitan area in the country and in the world. Probably one of the. Oh, my face. Fuck. I can't feel it. Alright.